Correct incantation of subprocess with shell equals true to get output and not hang. Inside a subprocess call, I want to use shell equals true so that it does globbing on path names, code below. However, this has the annoying side effect of making subprocess spawn a child process, which must then be communicate d/poll ed/wait ed/terminate d/kill ed/whatever. Yes, I am aware the globbing can also be done with match/glob, but please show me the correct use of subprocess on this, i.e. the minimal incantation to both get the stout and stop the child process. This works fine, returns output. Break time equals ones, greater than shell equals false. But this hangs. Break time equals ones, greater than shell equals true. PS, it's seriously aggravating that you can't tell subprocess you want some but not all shell functionality, for example globbing but not spawning. I think there's a worthy pep in that, if anyone cares to comment, i.e. pass in a tuple of boolean, or an OR of binary flags. PPS, the idiom of whether you pass subprocess ... constring.split or ... is just a trivial idiomatic difference. I say tomato, you say tomato. In my case, the motivation is the command is fixed, but I may want to call it more than once with a different file spec.
First off, there's very little point to passing an array to, as this simply runs dubc with no arguments, and a shell also passed arguments L and AZ/AZ.f as arguments to the shell, not to dubc. Instead, you want. Before being corrected, this would hang because dubc had no arguments and was reading from stin. I would suggest ensuring that stin is passed in close, rather than passing along your Python program stin, as is the default behavior. An easy way to do this, since you have shell equals true. Alternately, which will ensure an empty stin from Python code rather than relying on the shell.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.